Hello everyone, Kirut this side. This is my task 5.2c of Embedded Systems Development. Here we have to make graphical user interface using a Raspberry Pi. So let us come to the connections part. This is my Raspberry Pi which is connected with the 3 LEDs using jumper wires, breadboards and resistors. All the 3 LEDs are connected with the Raspberry Pi pin GPIO pin 4, 23 and 24, and my Raspberry Pi in turn connected with the laptop using VNC. So this is my code. So I have imported libraries tkinter, LED and GPIO. Then in the window title I have written Blink LED, giving it a font of Arial size 15 and bold. Then I have initialized 3 LEDs which I have white 1, red and white 2, which I have connected with the Raspberry Pi GPIO pins 4, 23 and 24. Then I have initialized a valve variable giving it value of int_var. Then it's a function toggle LED where the LEDs will blink on getting the value 1. LED white 1 will be on and the other 2 LEDs will remain off. Similarly, on getting value 2 and 3, the red LED as well as white 2 will be switched on, else all the LEDs will be off. Then I have created button 1, 2 and 3 where I have passed the values with the text turn on white LED, which will have a font type font with a variable val. Then I have passed value is equal to 1 with the command toggle LED, which I have created the function above with the height and a width. Similarly, I have created the other 2 buttons to turn the other LEDs on and off. Then the win main run the function on root. Thank you and have a nice day.